To put passwords on apps in Motorola Signature, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we need to find security and privacy options. Scroll to the bottom and select more security and privacy, and then look for secure folder. If you enter it, then you might need to perform a setup. If you need help with setup, I've made dedicated video on how to set up secure folder. You can watch it. Then let's enter secure folder right here, and when we enter it, we can click on this plus button and add whichever apps we like. For example, we can add things like a Gmail, and that way we'll have a Gmail right here that is protected by secure folder password, but we also have Gmail in our home screen or app drawer. It's still here, but this is a different instance of Gmail. So when you open Gmail from a secure folder, it will be a different one from the one that you open right here. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.